All right, y'all. I'm Tongman. Delivery got here today, so I'm gonna open it up and lay it out. It's for my S2000. I've been waiting for it. It finally got here, so I'm gonna open it up, lay it out, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and install it onto my S2000. So let's get started. So with my research, this piping is 70 millimeter diameter. So 70 millimeter is 2 3/4 inch. Pop them open. I got the exhaust from Axion Industries. Chris helped me out. Really cool guy. Got a pretty fast car. Lost the big red though, just so you know. Right, Chris? If you guys haven't seen that video of me and Chris having a run at it, go check it out. It's on my YouTube channel. So a closer look at it. So that attaches to your test pipe or your cat resonator, and then it splits into the dual mufflers. So that's your passenger side, that's your driver's side. Pretty nice. I'll have to remove this, all this tape off. Let's see if I can tear it. Oh, here's my S2K, by the way. Still on jack stands, waiting for the install. And then that's the stock muffler, stock piping. Let's take a look at these tips. These are the titanium tips. So these are the single layer titanium tips. Would you look at that? Invidia. So after I put it on the car, I'll go ahead and wipe it down with rubbing alcohol, and just to make sure all my fingerprints and all my grease won't burn onto the piping, the finish. This thing is still finished, you know. These are nice. I think I have the same one on my 370Z when I still had it. But yeah, that's the unboxing, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll post another video of me installing it. It should be fairly simple. I'm not quite sure if I should assemble the piping first and then put it on, or just install it onto the car piece by piece. I think it'll be easier to install it piece by piece, and then when I align everything properly and then tighten it, that's how I do it. But I saw some videos of people assembling the whole piece and then putting it onto the car in one piece. So I'm not sure which is the best way to do it, but I think I'm gonna put it the test pipe, or I'm sorry, the mid pipe on first, and then the split and the 2 mufflers. I'll try like that because I wanted to align perfectly to these cutouts. Yeah, so can't wait. It's exciting. Yeah, so thank you, Axion Industries, for hooking me up. Can't wait to put it on. Thanks for watching, guys.